Alright guys, so here is our memecoin ninja VIP channel Telegram bot, and so let's go one by one with all the sweet spot signals that's been captured. So the first one is SSI. So this was captured at 9:08 p.m. and let's go to the Dexscreener app. So by the time when it was captured, it was dipped at 23K market cap at 9:08 p.m. So there we go. So which is around this time, and then it went all the way up till around 4x probably. That's a good one. Let's move to the next one. The next one is, it was captured at 7:18 p.m. It is Eve 7:18. So let's go to the Dexscreener app. See, at the moment the market cap is 14K. So after 7:18, let's see if that is an uptrend. There we go. So here it is. It just went all the way up till 140K, which is of around another 3x, a solid 3x. Let's move to the next. It is VAMP, which was captured at 6:34 p.m. PST, and then it was dipped at 16K market cap. Let's go to the Dexscreener here. So at 6:34, right? At 6:34, okay, it was a dip. Okay, it was in downtrend, so it is of loss now. All right, the next one is WPLACE. This was captured at 6:27 p.m. at 33K market cap. So let's see after 6:27. So after 6:27, probably around this time, it went all the way up till, wow, up till like 248. Oh, it went all the way up to around 210 market cap, which is of around another 6 to 7x. Let's move to the next one. The next is DTF. 5:44 p.m. It was captured at 27K market cap. Let's go to the Dexscreener here. All right, there we go. It was, the market cap at the moment is still 86K. So after 5:44, if you see here, this went all the way up till 70K. Oops, not 70K. It went all the way up till 700K market cap. Wow, insane. So this is probably around, I would say, around like 20x, guys. DTF. All right, let's move to the next one. It's CHARVA. This was captured at 5:25 p.m. at the market cap of 36K at the time. CHARVA, okay. After 5:25, it went another 2x, a solid 2x. The next one is BOSSHOUSE. This was captured at 4:30 p.m. at market cap of 38K. All right, so after 4:30, it was again around, it just reached around some 180K, which is of around another 4x, a solid 4x. The next is 41. So this was captured at 4:26 p.m. at 33K market cap. This is still sitting at 40K market cap. Let's see after 426 if there is an uptrend. So after 426 it went up till around like 60, around 70k, which is a solid 2x. So let's check the next one, which is TOG. So this was captured at 4:05 p.m. at the market cap of 36k at the time. Wow. So it was, at the moment it was sitting at 119k. So after 4:05, let's see, after this it went all the way up to 400k, which is a solid of 10x.